आज 14 जुलै 2025. आजचा दिवस सुरू झाला शाळेचा. तो खूप छान मूडमध्ये, आनंदात. शुभम आणि साक्षी ठेंग यांचा आज वाढदिवस. त्यांच्या वाढदिवसानिमित्त मित्रांनी तयार केलेले ग्रीटिंग्स, बुके आणि छान असं फलकलेखन या सगळ्या वातावरणात त्यांचा वाढदिवस साजरा झाला. त्यात शुभमने चॉकलेट्स आणले होते, ते वर्गात वाटले. ज्यांनी छान फलकलेखन केलं आणि ज्यांनी ग्रीटिंग्स तयार केले त्यांनी ते त्यांना दिले. त्यानंतर वर्ग 9मध्ये इंग्रजीचं 1.3 जी कविता आहे, एमिली डिकिन्सनची ती कविता आहे. त्या कवितेच्या सुरुवातीला ग्रुप वर्क दिलेलं आहे. त्यानुसार मोठी संख्या असलेला माझा हा वर्ग, या वर्गात 13 गट तयार झाले, 6 मुलांचे, मुलं आणि अर्थात मुलीसुद्धा. आणि ती जी ॲक्टिव्हिटी होती की 3 सिच्युएशन्स दिलेल्या होत्या. 3 सिच्युएशन्स वर गिवन अँड students were asked to find out solutions for that difficult situation. So for every group a situation was given and the group was trying to find out the solutions for the given situation. It was very interesting activity and all my children, they enjoyed the activity. It was very impossible to take them out of class. So in the class only, I managed to make them sit with each other. And they too adjusted themselves. And for a whole period, they discussed and they took out some solutions. Even they had their group leader who wrote down all the solutions and who wrote the names of their team's members also. And tomorrow that leader will present the solutions the group found for the given situation. Girls were also active. Girls also shared their thoughts and they too took out some solutions. So their leaders also will share it tomorrow. Today their writing drafts they submitted to me. I'll give them back tomorrow and they'll present it before the whole class. As I got it and I got an off period, I read all their solutions. Some are very funny. They tried their best. And that was the only motto behind taking this activity. Whether it may be wrong in spellings or in sentence constructions, but they should do it by their own. They should discuss it with each other and they should write those solutions on the paper and it should be shared with the whole class. So up to taking out solutions, they completed and tomorrow the group leaders will present it before the class. So I too feel it very interesting as they did with enthusiasm and good interest. Thank you girls and boys for doing your best and adjusted yourself in this condition. Thank you. आजची शेवटची तासिका होती 9व्या वर्गाची भूगोलाची. ज्यात त्यांना प्रकरण 2 अंतर्गत हालचाली, त्यातलं भूकंप कसा होतो त्याविषयीचं प्रात्यक्षिक दाखवायचं होतं. ते दाखवलं. मुलांनीसुद्धा स्वतः ते करून बघितलं. त्यानंतर भूकंपाची कारणं, भूकंपाचे परिणाम याविषयीची चर्चा देखील झाली. आणि एकूणच प्रात्यक्षिकं होती म्हणून मुलांनी पण आनंदाने त्यात सहभाग घेतला. त्यानंतरचं प्रात्यक्षिक होतं खंड निर्माणकारी हालचाली आणि पर्वत निर्माणकारी हालचालींचं. थँक यू ऑल माय चिल्ड्रन फॉर मेकिंग द डे.